Healthy foods with no carbs and no sugar for diabetics. Eggs, a high-protein food that can help lower blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. Cheese, a good source of calcium, protein, and healthy fats that can keep you full and satisfied. Meat, a rich source of protein, iron, zinc, and B vitamins that can support muscle growth and repair. Fish, a lean protein that provides omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce inflammation and lower triglycerides. Nuts and seeds, a crunchy snack that contains healthy fats, fiber, protein, and antioxidants that can improve blood sugar control and heart health. Avocado, a creamy fruit that contains monounsaturated fats, fiber, potassium, and vitamin E that can lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Olive oil, a heart-healthy oil that can reduce inflammation, improve blood vessel function, and lower the risk of cardiovascular disease. Leafy greens, a low-calorie food that provides fiber, vitamin K, folate, and antioxidants that can protect against oxidative stress and diabetes complications. Broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable that contains sulforaphane, a compound that can lower blood sugar and prevent kidney damage. Cauliflower, a versatile vegetable that can be used as a low-carb substitute for rice, potatoes, or pasta.